Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is IZZATI binti KAMALUDIN and my mention number is CE180026. So today I will be presenting about the socket and the number of socket in the house plan. So as you can see, there is one socket in the garage. There are two sockets in the living room. One is here and one is here. Then one socket is in the hall. One socket in both rooms for bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. Okay. So one socket in the kitchen area. One socket near the bathroom. One socket in bedroom number 3 and two sockets in the kitchen. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is IZZATI binti KAMALUDIN and my metric number is CE180026. So as you can see, this is the distribution box of my house with the MCBs. And this fan is connected to the power socket right here. So I will be turning on and off the MCB. So as you can see, the first MCB is originally turned off, so I don't want to touch that one. So I will be turn off this one. So the fan is still on. Alright. Then I'll try the third one. The fan is also still on. Alright, so I will be turning off this one. Okay, still nothing happened. Then I will turn off this one. Nothing happened either. Turn off this one. The fan is still on. Then still the same. So when I turn off this one, so the fan turned off. So I will be turning on it again. So the fan turned back on. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SOOMRO, metric number AE190001. Okay, this is my house plan for socket outlet, where in my house plan there's 15 of these socket outlet. In the living room there's 3. In the room 1 is 1 socket outlet. In the dining room there's 2. In the store 1 there's 2. Room 2 has 1. Store 2 there's 1. And in the kitchen there's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 here. And the laundry there are 2. Okay, for this in which the first MCB connection is for the number 1 MCB connection, which is 16 ampere. To the dining room it's store 1, and there's a total of connection of 4. And the MCB 2 is not working, which is 20 ampere, so there's no location and number of socket there. There's for the number 3, which is 20 ampere, and this for the living room. There are 3 outlet that's been connected. MCB number 4, which is in 16 ampere, is located in the room 1, and there's only one number of socket. Number 5, okay, for the number 5, the MCB there's no any connection for location and number of socket. For the RCCB, the residual circuit breaker, the 63 ampere, which is located in the room 2, and there's one number of socket, which is number 1, and which is the main switch with the MCB, which is 40 ampere, is located at store 2 kitchen and laundry, which has the total of 6 number of socket outlet, P10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. That's all for the under the plan area. The wiring diagram of the MCB with related socket or in my house plan is in such as this is condition, which is the radial socket outlet. There are 2 ring and radial, so this is type of radial outlet. So there are total of 15 connections, so there's 15 of pairs of socket outlet here, and this is the MCB drawing. MCB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 RCCB and MCB main switch. and there's 2 and 5, there's no any connection, and other have connection as stated is the table above. So this is my diagram of the related socket. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is UZAIR, metric number AE19001. Okay, this is my DB distribution board where all the MCB are on, miniature circuit breaker. Okay, for this I will apply for the only for the living room. Okay, as stated in the table that has been made, which is the in the living room, which is the MCB3. When I off this MCB, in the living room, as you can see here, the modem is on for the Wi-Fi, and this one socket. There's another socket over there, and there's one socket behind the small cabinet. Okay. When I off this MCB, okay, as we can see here now, the modem is already off. It controls this socket, these 3 sockets. This one, there's another second, and that over there. That's the second, and there's that behind the cabinet. That's all for me. Okay, I on this back MCB. Okay, as you can see here now, the modem is start already on. The switch is already on again. That's all for me. Thank you.
Greeting to our lecturer. My name is Wong Chong, lecture number AE1900S7. Today I'm going to present the location of the socket, my house plan, and the number of socket at that area. So the location of the socket will represent like this for number 1 to number 7. So in living room we have 2 sockets at this area, and in dining room we have 2 sockets at this area. At the kitchen I have 2 sockets at this area, 2 sockets at this area, 2 sockets at this area, 2 sockets at this area. So in garage we have 1 socket at this area.
My name is Wong Chong, match number AE1900S7. So now I'm showing the distribution board here, and this all is the miniature circuit breaker, the NCB. So there is a socket outlet over there, the lights turn on. So I will try to turn off for the first MCB. So the light is off now. Turn on back. So the light is turned on back.
A very good day to Doctor. My name is Wong Chun Xiang, AE1X0103. Today I will present the MPE Lab 3, and this is the house plan, the same with the previous lab. And I add a switch of my house. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the ledger. And this is the MCB when you turn on, and in the MCB all is 16 ampere. And for living room, you can see this one, it have a 2 switch, it have a 2 socket, and in the inner area it have 2 switch. And this is the storeroom is 1, the dry kitchen is 1, and the room is 1. Next is the wire diagram for the power circuit. The first figure is the wire diagram for 2 sockets outlet related to the MCB. You can see this, it connect to the earth, the live, and the neutral. It's direct connect between 2 sockets, and this is the radial circuit. And this one is the 1 socket outlet related to the MCB. It is simple. Same with the previous, just less 1 socket. So that's all from me. Thank you.
In this section, I will show the plug to the MCB. You can see now it is closed. I'm on the switch. Now it's charging. Now I go and close the MCB. This is MCB. This one is for that. And the switch. You can see the plug is on, but the phone is not charging. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So for question 5.1, what is the difference between radial circuit and ring circuit in electrical wiring installation? In radial circuit, power is transmitted from point to point by a single length of cable linking each point to the next. It starts at the main fuse box and terminates at the last connected device. Intermediate junction boxes may connect individual sockets or chains of several sockets, but there is never a loop wiring circuit. A ring circuit provides two intermittent conductors for line, neutral, and positive earth for each connected socket. If the load is evenly spread across the two directions, the amperage in each direction is half of the total, allowing the use of wire with half of the current carrying capacity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SOOMRO, metric number AE190001. Okay, I'll be explaining about the question 5.2, which is explain the purpose of neutral cable in electrical wiring installation. Okay, the neutral cable is current carrying conductor that brings back the power source to establish control over the voltage. So the cable actually brings to ground or bus bar is usually connected at the electrical panel, which gives current circulation through the electric system and allows the electricity to be fully utilized. It also prevents the faulty or excess of the current from residing in the outlet. Therefore, the neutral cable is really necessary for the AC power, and we need to make sure the wire is in the right voltage connection. And previously, for the old connection cables, the color of the neutral cable is black, but now for the new is in blue. That's all for me.